students! It's time to talk about the modal verbs in English. There are many modal verbs in English, and they can express different things. In view of that, we have modal verbs of obligation, possibility, and necessity. For now, we will be talking about the modal verbs expressing obligation or the lack of it. Have to for obligation in the present and had to for obligation in the past. When we want to express some sort of obligation, we use the following form: have or has to plus infinitive. Children have to go to school, or you have to wear a uniform to work. Just like this, had to plus infinitive shows some sort of obligation in the past, something we had to do in the past. I had to wear a uniform to school when I was a child, or my parents had to take us to school. Let's continue our story about the modal verbs. So far, we mentioned modals expressing obligation in the present, have or has to, and modals expressing obligation in the past, had to. Just like we can talk about the presence of an obligation, we can also talk about the lack of it, don't have or doesn't have to. Let's look at a few examples. You don't have to get up early on Sunday and Saturday. My father doesn't have to work on weekends, or students don't have to go to the lectures.